Rain, rain, and more rain. Mississippi State students have been plagued by off and on heavy rain for the last couple of days. While it is an inconvenience for students to have to break out the rain gear and the umbrella, a bigger issue is the threat for flash flooding. Flash flood watches and warnings are already in effect, and many low-lying areas on campus have already started to collect water. Meteorologists say it's unusual to see this much rainfall in this short of a time period, and even more rain is on the way.
We're under a high risk in Oktibbeha County for excessive rainfall, which is not normally something you see, especially on those graphics. We're supposed to get up to 7 inches potentially in this area, maybe more locally higher amounts, and that's just really, really unusual because we're coming out of a flash drought right into flash flooding, basically, so very back and forth.
Forecasters expect an additional 3 to 5 inches of rain to fall across the area over the next few days. And with heavy rainfall having recently caused issues at the Oktibbeha County Lake, many are concerned about what this round of torrential rainfall will mean for the already crippled dam.
I think that this is a lot of rainfall in a short amount of time, so I'm concerned. I think it could end pretty badly.
Students are advised to remain weather aware this week and stay away from flooded areas. Officials say any emergency information will be reported through the Maroon Alert system and also on social media. Most importantly, if you are driving and come across a flooded roadway, remember to turn around, don't drown. Reporting for MSU TV, I'm Trevor Burchett.